This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
So HRE, that's kind of a given. Like, that's a really awesome brand. What are some other brands that you like, just kind of overall?
So I was never too big of a wheel brand guy.
Really?
Yeah, I was never, you look at auto magazines and you see these like the spreads for wheels.
Sure,
like,
yeah.
I don't really care about these.
Really?
Like, yeah, it doesn't do anything for me. I tend to go OEM if I can.
Okay.
But OEM from different cars. So like my SL55, I'd really like some C63 AMG Black Series wheels. So I'll show you what those look like. And they are...
I love the big 5 spokes that came on the AMG S-Classes from that body style.
Yeah, so...
Those are cool. Those are cool looking wheels.
So SL55 wheels. So actually, if I look up SL55 wheels, it'll probably tell me... It'll probably go... Okay, never. I do not know how to Google, apparently. So we go to right there. So here are the stock wheels for the SL55.
Which is what you have.
Which is what I have.
Right.
My car is a lot lowered. This is just kind of stock ride height. I have
Correct.
I have it on coilovers and whatnot. So this is on HREs. These are real nice. This is actually from a shop in New Jersey that I took my 3000 GT VR4 to. Can't remember what they're called, but these are real nice. These are FF01s, and again HRE wheels. Just they kind of make the car look a lot better. I don't know if the car would drive very well because it looks like there's like no gap on the fender, but it looks real tough. So that's pretty good. The thing I don't like about Mercedes is that when you mix and match wheels, sometimes they end up looking like this. I don't like this.
Yeah, no, that looks pretty bad.
It looks just a little. This is like 20-inch wheels. These are from S65 or something like that, and they don't look very good. They're 5-spoke, but they're like the split 5-spoke, and they kind of sit sunken in, and it just looks kind of like a clown car.
Yeah.
And then there's also this style, which is like super deep dish.
Whoa.
Sold. Okay, just a thing popped up that said sold. So something like this. Yeah, it's like super deep dish, and this is like
These are like
Need for Speed type things.
These are like wheels you would get from like a catalog at like Discount Tire.
Yeah, so this is not something I'd like to do. What I and then you can go.
Ooh,
yeah.
That guy with the rotiforms. Is that a rotiform?
What, this?
No, just kidding. I thought those were rotiforms for a sec.
No, so I like
not that. The other one we were.
So these are also HREs. These are nice. But this is like SEMA. This is not
just
drivable.
kidding. Those are not the wheels I thought they were.
Yeah. This is a prior wide body kit, I believe. You can make it look like the SL65 Black,
right,
except that it has a convertible top, which is actually best of both worlds. But I got approached by Prior to kind of like do one of these, but I hate body kits, so it looks cool, but I can't imagine putting this on a lift. Like, imagine it's way too wide, and like it's just gonna. I don't know. I don't. This is a little too much for me.
Yeah, same.
So what I like is something real simple, and it's this. So SL55. Let's see if C63 AMG Black. Let's see if that comes up. There's one guy who did it. Yeah, right here. So this is basically the same type.
Oh yeah, that looks awesome.
Yeah. So and mine would be lowered. Obviously, this is like stock ride height. And these are the C63 AMG Black wheels, and they're OEM wheels. So I don't have to worry about,
bolt patterns, fitment, spacing. And spacing would be different from a C63, but
it seems like it works pretty well.
Do you know if he's running spacers or?
I don't think so, but it's also not the greatest picture in the world, but it's fine. So I think this, with the car lowered a little bit, I think
that looks great.
I put it on my Twitter a while ago. Let's see if I can. See if I can find it. If I put in Tavarish, let's see if I can find it. I don't think I can, but no, we're not that lucky. Darn it. Okay, never mind. But I made a Photoshop of what it would look like on my car, and it looked pretty good. So I think that's where I'm gonna go with this. Other than if HRE can give me some nice wheels, then I'd totally be down for that.
Sure, yeah.
But there's a few wheels that look good on this, and I think it's multi-spoke. I think it has to be multi-spoke.
Absolutely.
But what would you say? You said the S-Class wheels look good?
Yeah. So just look up like S65 AMG.
So the S60, I think you're thinking about the S55 AMG. That has like thick 5 spokes.
Yeah, big chunky boys.
So these are the monoblocks.
Right. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the body style S-Class that you have.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let me see, because so that would be a W221 S65. Let me just make sure that we are yep, okay. S65 AMG wheels. And so it's hard when you look up wheels. Oh, it might be
there they are. These guys.
Yeah, so these
I
are
love those.
Yeah, these are nice. This is what Ed Bullion has on his S65, and they look really good.
Yep.
I actually like the Maybach wheels. They don't look bad because this car essentially is like a Maybach.
Yes, yeah.
But this is, I think, it's a little too much for me. I mean, especially because it's my daily driver.
In chrome, I think it's a little much.
Yeah, but it doesn't look horrible. Like I can see why people like this, and I like the AMG kit, even though I don't think I would get it for my car. I think it's just a little, I don't know. I like the sleeper look, but here's what it looks like. So
yes, oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, that looks great. I think it's perfect. It's very understated, and this car has what, like 600 horsepower, 700 foot-pounds of torque. It's just insane, and you can buy them for like next to nothing now. But those are the kinds of wheels I like. I like OEM, but I don't even know wheel companies really. I think
really?
No, I think it's like the ones I know is just from car magazines. I know HRE, I know Koenig, because I'm working with them. I know the Volk Rays, and that's
sure,
1552. But I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of people that go, "Oh, those are the blah 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 blah." Oh, they discontinued those, but then they made them in gunmetal, and then they did this. I wish I knew more about that. Are you like a wheel like aficionado?
I wouldn't say an aficionado, but I would say that I know enough to like
Get yourself in trouble?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.